What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I want to personally welcome you. My name is Brett from Summit Guitar School, and this channel is dedicated to teaching you guys how to become better guitar players and better musicians so that you can reach your playing goals while having fun. Today we're learning Shot in the Dark by John Mayer. Pretty easy song in the key of D. There's a couple of odd rhythms that we'll have to learn how to strum and one bar chord, but I'm going to break it down for you guys in an easy to understand way. Before we get started, if you're having trouble strumming, check out my free essential strumming course. Absolutely free. Follow the link. Go over there. Sign up. If you're just getting into guitar and you're like, I can't figure it out, go check out my beginner guitar essentials course. All right, I've had hundreds and hundreds of students go through this course with extreme results and great success. And if you want a coupon code for it, go over to Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and immediately send me a message, and I'll send you a coupon code to give you 10% off of that course. All right, so let's jump into this class. Please consider liking and following this channel. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Let's get started. All right, so let's go over the chords that are in this song. You've got a D, you got an E minor 7. This one's a little funky, 0, 2, 2, open 3, 3. I'm using third and fourth finger to get that sound in there. Then you've got a B minor. All right, this is a bar chord, so you got 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, your index bars. If that's too hard, you could go 4, 4, 3, 2, and do it like that. But I suggest you try the bar. Then you've got an A, and you've got a G. Okay, so let's go over this intro, and it's the same thing for the verse. So you got to get this rhythm right. It's a big strums at the beginning, so it's D, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So there's that rhythm. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. It's tricky, but it's like what makes it super catchy. So you got 1 on the D minor, so it's 1, or D major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So I went D, E minor 7th, back to D. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then downbeat E minor, 1 and 2, and on the B minor, 3, and on the A, and then and on the G. So there's a lot of movement there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. That is how that goes, all right? So you kind of got to get that right. You might have to put on a metronome to nail it, or if you've got a good ear and a sense of rhythm, but you might have to start slow and gradually increase your tempo there. So I'll do it one more time. It's like the main bit through the song, so you got to get this part right for it to sound right. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. All right, so that's D, E minor, D, E minor, B minor, A, G. All right, so on your verse, I'm just going to do downs, all right? So it's the same chords, all right? So it's still D, E minor, D, E minor, B minor, A, G. The intro happens twice, and then you got the verse that happens twice. But I'm going to do downs to kind of keep it driving. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Kind of simple because you're just strumming. You can even put a little palm mute back there if you want. But the palm muting thing, if you put it right back here, it'll kind of bring down your dynamic level, and it'll kind of fit with the song more and sound more musical. So you keep the same rhythm, but you just add that palm muting thing, and it would go like this, all down strum. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, All right. You saw my A. I kind of cheated there a little bit, but it's not really a cheat. It just works for me. I put my index over the 2nd fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, and it's still an A. It's just quick to get to the G. Sometimes if it's really a fast moving past it, I don't want to put all 3, so I do this. So it's kind of a professional guitar player hack there for you. Just gotta get used to the way that feels. All right, so there's your verse and your intro. Okay, so your pre-chorus is G, A, B minor, and the B minor is anticipated on the and of 2 after that A. So I'll count it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then G, 2, 3, 4, A, D. So the first 3 times G, A, B minor, and then the last 2 times G, A, D. So it's G, 2, 3, 4, A, B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. You do it one more time, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, G, A, D, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now you've got back to your intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. That same thing, all right? So then you go back and you gotta, that time that intro strum part only happens once. Then you go back to the palm muted 2 times through that, same chord progression. Then your pre-chorus, G, A, B minor 3 times. Then your chorus, G, A, D twice. Then you've got a solo bridge that happens. I'm just breaking down the rhythm guitar part here, so we're going to leave that out for this lesson. So you're going D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B minor 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, B minor, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then you end on the G, 2, 3, 4, G again, 2, 3, 4. After that bridge / little guitar solo thing, you hang on the G so that your dynamics come down for like 2 measures, all right? So the last time through the bridge, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. Then you're back into the pre-chorus, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, G, A, B minor, 1, 2. It does it 3 times, just like it did. 2, 3. Here's your third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 3, 4. Then G, 2, 3, 4, A, D. Do it again. G, 2, 3, 4, A, D. And then it literally does that all the way to the end. So I hope that helps. Great song. I'm going to be teaching most of these songs off of this album. So consider subscribing and liking. And I'll see you guys next time.